walk or up and downward walk. So you can actually grab the section, say the mountain, and just simply drag it up like that, and it'll pull the mountain up a little bit more. Which is,
as it is,
wide angle.
Pressing on down.
Well, you're wide angle, you're blowing it right out, aren't you? So I would put a polarizer on. Yeah, just to clean up the water tad. You putting a polarizer on there, Jeff? Yeah. We're just waiting for this mountain to. It's going to explode with fire soon. As soon as that sun comes over that back mountain there, it's going to come down. Day 3 of our Patagonia Overland photography workshop, and we're going up the top of Campanario Hill to take the chairlift up.